P.O.P. ceilings are beautiful and modern, but many fail because of poor workmanship, water leakage, weak framing, and bad installation methods. In this detailed construction and civil engineering video, we explain 1. The major causes of P.O.P. ceiling collapse, 2. Warning signs homeowners should never ignore, and 3. The professional techniques used to prevent dangerous ceiling failures. Welcome to this channel, the merchant construct-preneurs and tutors. Imagine relaxing in your house after a long day, then suddenly part of your ceiling crashes down without warning. Unfortunately, this is a real problem in many homes and buildings today. What starts as a small crack, a water stain, or slight sagging can eventually become a dangerous ceiling collapse. P.O.P. ceilings, also called suspended or gypsum ceilings, are popular because they improve interior beauty, hide electrical installations, and create modern lighting designs. But despite their attractive appearance, many ceilings fail because of poor workmanship, weak framing systems, moisture problems, and low-quality materials. In this video, we're going to explain why P.O.P. ceilings fall off, the hidden construction mistakes that cause ceiling failure, and the professional methods used to prevent these problems. We'll discuss water leakage, poor ceiling framing, wrong screw spacing, weak suspension systems, overloading from chandeliers and fans, bad workmanship practices. This video will help you understand the science behind ceiling failures and how to avoid costly and dangerous mistakes. You would be wondering what a P.O.P. ceiling is and what it does. So, a P.O.P. ceiling is a lightweight suspended ceiling installed below the main roof slab or structural ceiling. The term P.O.P. means plaster of Paris, although modern systems commonly use gypsum boards fixed onto metal framing systems. These ceilings are popular in homes, offices, hotels, churches, and commercial buildings because they improve aesthetics and help conceal electrical cables, plumbing lines, AC ducts, and lighting fixtures. A P.O.P. ceiling system generally consists of 1. Metal framing channels, 2. Suspension rods or hangers, 3. Screws and fasteners, 4. Gypsum boards, 5. Joint fillers and finishing materials. The metal frame acts like the skeleton of the ceiling. It carries the weight of the boards and any attached decorative elements. One major misconception is that P.O.P. ceilings are structural components. They are not. They are finishing systems that depend entirely on proper support and installation quality. When properly installed, the load is distributed evenly across the framing system. But if the metal channels are weak, poorly spaced, or improperly connected, some sections begin to carry excessive load. Over time, this causes sagging, cracking, and eventual collapse. Environmental conditions also affect ceiling performance. Moisture, heat, poor ventilation, and roof leakage gradually weaken the materials. Most ceiling failures do not happen suddenly without warning. There are usually signs such as 1. Hairline cracks, 2. Bulging surfaces, 3. Water stains, 4. Sagging sections, 5. Peeling paint, 6. Popping sounds. Ignoring these warning signs can eventually lead to complete ceiling failure. Understanding how P.O.P. ceilings work is the first step toward preventing dangerous construction defects. Reasons why P.O.P. fails. 1. Water leakage. One of the biggest reasons P.O.P. ceilings fail is water leakage. Water is extremely dangerous to gypsum boards because gypsum materials absorb moisture very easily. Once water enters the ceiling system, the ceiling gradually loses strength. Roof leakage is one of the most common causes. When roofing sheets, waterproofing membranes, or gutters fail, rainwater begins to penetrate the ceiling space. In some buildings, leaking plumbing pipes or air conditioning condensation also contribute to moisture problems. As the gypsum boards absorb water, several things begin to happen. The boards swell, the ceiling joints weaken, paint begins to peel, metal framing starts corroding, screws loosen, then, sagging becomes visible. Eventually, the ceiling can no longer support its own weight and suddenly falls off. Many homeowners make the mistake of repainting stained ceilings without repairing the source of the leakage. This only hides the problem temporarily while internal damage continues. Poor roof drainage also contributes heavily to leakage problems. Blocked gutters and poor roof slopes allow water accumulation, increasing the chances of seepage into ceiling spaces. Water-damaged ceilings usually show warning signs such as brown stains, soft ceiling surfaces, damp smell, sagging edges, mold growth, etc. Professional builders always inspect roofing systems before ceiling installation begins. In humid environments, proper ventilation is equally important because trapped moisture can slowly damage ceiling materials over time. Water may seem harmless, but in construction, uncontrolled moisture is one of the biggest causes of finishing failure. This is why proper waterproofing and drainage are critical for durable ceiling systems. Another major cause of P.O.P ceiling failure is poor framing installation. The metal framing system is the backbone of the entire ceiling. If the framework is weak or improperly installed, the ceiling becomes unstable. Some installers use substandard metal channels to reduce costs. Others increase framing spacing beyond recommended limits. These shortcuts reduce the ceiling's ability to carry loads safely. When framing members are spaced too far apart, gypsum boards begin to bend under their own weight. This creates sagging and eventually leads to cracking. Poor suspension systems are another common problem. Ceiling hangers must be properly anchored to the structural slab above. If weak anchors or nails are used, the entire ceiling may detach unexpectedly. Improper screw spacing also contributes to failure. Screws are meant to hold the gypsum boards firmly against the framing system. If screws are too few or loosely fixed, vibrations and movement gradually weaken the connection. Overloading is another dangerous mistake. In some buildings, heavy chandeliers, fans, and decorative fittings are attached directly to the P.O.P ceiling instead of separate structural supports. This places excessive load on the suspended ceiling system. Unskilled workmanship makes these problems worse. Some artisans install ceilings without understanding load distribution or manufacturer specifications. Professional ceiling installation requires 1. Proper framing spacing. 2. Strong suspension rods. 3. Correct screw fixing. 4. Corrosion-resistant materials. 5. Skilled workmanship. Unfortunately, many people prioritize cheap labor over quality installation. A properly installed ceiling should remain stable for many years without sagging or detaching. Good installation may cost more initially, but it prevents dangerous and expensive failures later. Now let's look at how to prevent P.O.P ceiling failure. Preventing P.O.P ceiling failure starts with proper planning, quality materials, and professional installation methods. Most ceiling collapses are completely preventable when the right construction practices are followed. The first step is using high-quality materials. Cheap gypsum boards, weak metal channels, and low-grade screws significantly reduce ceiling durability. Professional installers always follow manufacturer recommendations for 1. Framing spacing. 2. Screw spacing. 3. Suspension methods. 4. Board thickness. 5. Joint treatment. Waterproofing is also essential. Before installing ceilings, builders should inspect roofing systems, gutters, plumbing pipes, and drainage systems carefully. Heavy fittings such as chandeliers and ceiling fans should never rely solely on the P.O.P ceiling for support. These fittings should be connected directly to structural members above. Routine inspection is another important preventive measure. Homeowners should regularly check for cracks, water stains, loose joints, sagging areas, peeling paint, etc. Early repairs can prevent complete ceiling collapse. Proper ventilation is equally important. Good airflow reduces moisture buildup and prevents mold growth. In public buildings, shopping malls, hotels, and churches, ceiling inspections are extremely important because collapse can lead to serious injuries. Good supervision during construction is also necessary. Site engineers and project managers should ensure artisans follow approved installation methods instead of cutting corners. At the end of the day, a beautiful ceiling is meaningless if it becomes dangerous. In construction, durability and safety must always come before appearance. A properly installed P.O.P ceiling can last for many years safely without cracking, sagging, or collapsing. P.O.P ceilings can transform the appearance of a building, but poor installation can turn them into dangerous hazards. Most ceiling failures happen because of preventable mistakes such as water leakage, weak framing, poor screw fixing, and bad workmanship. Understanding these problems helps homeowners and construction professionals make better decisions during building projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more civil engineering and construction content. Also comment below and tell us if you've ever experienced ceiling sagging, cracking, or water damage in your building. Thank you for watching this video and I believe you got value from it. For more educative content on construction and structural engineering, don't forget to share, like, comment, turn on the notification button and subscribe to this channel, the Merchant Construct-preneurs and Tutors. See you in the next video. Bye.